I need to get rid of the game. Hey, you can't get the game. Hey, buddy, give me another straw. You got two?
I got it.
Okay. All right, thank you, buddy.
My pleasure.
Ain't trying to 5?
We don't get it.
Yeah.
But that's that au jus stuff that you dip your sandwich in.
Devil to your left got it. That is showing on CBS. Yes, it is. I see the logo from here.
Oh, she found it.
No, she ain't found it. Yeah, go. I just seen it. That's CBS. That is CBS. Click on it.
Wait, it's hot. Wow, your husband. My baby's eating noise.
What did it feel?
Ooh, this plate is hot. Right there. I'll go ahead and bless the food.
I see you doing so be moving like you somebody got something under your butt.
Fleshed out. It's kind of dark in here, y'all, so y'all can't see that.
Well, the only dry drinks we have is the Michelob, Bud Light, which we're adding from the Blue Blind, and coffee.
May want to use your steak knife to get that out.
What?
The sauce.
Shallow, that's enough for sauce.
Oh, okay. Well,
God, tell me.
I got me enough.
Always trying to get everything out. Girl, ain't that much of nothing. You already ate? Yeah, you been eating. Father, we thank you for this food, brother. We thank you last night, rest. Bless the hand of fresh food. Thank you for your grace and your mercy, our Father. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen. You got some of that.
You better put that stuff in your mouth, honey.
It's good. Hope everybody having a beautiful, blessed day. You don't want them to be having a beautiful, blessed day?
Yeah, you having one now. Be quiet.
Not yet.
Yes, you will. Your mouth moving now.
Well,
let me see the black pepper. She wasn't gonna use that, y'all. Gotta say something. They be saying I'm putting you on the spot.
you ain't put me on the spot. I ain't gonna put a whole gallon of black pepper on my food.
Yeah. You ain't put a what? You put a whole gallon. Shut your mouth and stop lying. That's all you do, girl. Exaggerate.
They know I'm not exaggerating.
Yeah.
They know I'm not exaggerating.
Hey, you know how your butt is. That back over there. If I dump that whole, all that stuff in your face. Hey, girl, that's WTY. WTY CBS. What are you talking about?
All right. Thank you guys for subscribing to our YouTube channel, Sheila and Frank Talk Like a Marriage, and PromoSTK Reality TV, and PromoSTK Sheila Creations Way Cooking Show, and PromoSTK.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh,
and we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Put my phone down. You over here?
Excuse me. So just found out we do not have any kids mac and cheese in the current.
Candace didn't try calling you?
Who?
Candace. Did you say she called you?
That's gonna have his
Prime
call.
rib sandwich?
Prime rib? I mean the sandwich.
Okay, sounds good. So just a side of fries, right?
Who that? Who that?
Okay, sounds good.
I'm gonna be careful, it's super hot.
Okay, thank you.
Y'all enjoy.
All right, thanks.
Good picture.
Oh, that damn shit. What is it?
Good picture, your food. But that's that au jus stuff that you dip your sandwich in.
So you for the fries? Let me see.
Finish my fry, y'all.
Shell, I thought you would throw you over there. No, I am on.
Maybe a little higher. Y'all see?
Everybody sees what she eats. Golly. What was that? I heard it then.
Water.
I don't know what this is. I'm eating it anyway. I don't know what it is.
And maybe you put it on your sandwich.
Probably so.
Y'all want some dip? If I can get the chip to stay whole, not broken.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
I'm gonna be hot. Like Philadelphia to lose a second game in a row. They lost their first game Thursday night. She started losing.
That was spicy.
So it's got the 3 cheese. You know something? You know it's gonna be spicy.
Not with 3 cheese, right? 3 cheese could be any kind of cheese.
Some other kind of stuff they got in there, girl. I want to come out.
The spice just went up my nose, like, I don't know what it is.
What you mean you don't know what it is?
I don't know what the spice was.
That's the secret. I want to know.
Awesome, y'all enjoy it.
A steak and 3 cheeses. Something in here got a little kick to it. Yeah, y'all. Look at that baby. Kind of remind me of Rotel a little bit.
That's a flag. You got that man's damn face, man. They didn't call it.
We need a few more minutes.
16-10.
Oh, really? Well, I know our schedule is delayed, and then our 12 to 15 hours out on the morning.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always
yeah.
flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? negativity. I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
What's the camera?
The sweet potato? Oh, you want the normal potato? Okay, do you want everything on that plate? Sounds good. I got that in. Everything cooked all right, tasted fine? Everything's still doing all right for y'all too?
Everything good, buddy.
Did y'all maybe some dessert or anything?
No dessert.
All right.
Thank you.
Dessert. What? You lost your man.
It's gonna be a big bite, y'all. It's just can't get y'all to view. I want to get y'all. My gosh. Excuse me. Excuse me.
She ain't gonna answer no phone down t-shirt.
Oh, tissue.
Answer your phone. My answer now. I doubt it though. Oh, that's a penalty. You can't hit that damn receipt before the ball even get there. Look at watch this. Ball ain't there yet. Look at that. Man, if they don't throw them flag on that, something wrong. I ain't leaving no message. Damn, baby, you killing that dang stuff. You is killing that stuff big time.
And you done killed that.
Yeah, man. I ain't had no teeth on. It's been a while, y'all. And them folks know it too. Don't tell me the Indianapolis Colts lose this game. Thought they had. Let me see who got the ball first. Y'all had them on the ropes. Indianapolis Colts, they're up for the win this game. Watch them keep out there. $39.03, I think, or 2 more. Let me see. $39.04. So if y'all need this first time, guess what? They didn't get it. What's the guy that playing Buffalo and who is it? I can't know. All I know, they had to go to play in somebody else's stadium. Too much snow. Buffalo know they need a loan. Buffalo know they need a dog. It must be good, baby. Let me taste it. There you go. That's good right there. That ground beef meat? That ground beef?
Steak. And 3 cheese.
Okay. I'm through. Ooh, Lord, I had appetite. Where's 2 men and 1? Let me see. Y'all don't see my new Porsche?
He showed it to him, yeah. Show it to him.
Okay. See that? Hey. There you go. It's just for the upper. And I ain't got that much debris. I call it debris. And clean off.
So the other parts you had was just for the upper two, no lower?
I had low end. I just got the upper here.
So are they going to do the
I
bottom?
don't think they're going to do the bottom. I don't need no bottom on the thing. The way you build them.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is what they took that tool out last Monday. It's a big old gap. Good God.
And then you're going to put that else in there to fill it.
Ain't nothing else going to fill it. No.
Anything going to take out of y'all's way?
Oh, you can take all of it except my drinks.
All right.
Yeah.
Interest you in maybe a to-go drink or something?
Yeah, you can't come and drink that right now.
All right.
Yeah, bring me to go, buddy.
To-go sweet tea?
Yes.
All right, I got you. For you, ma'am, you want a to-go water? Sounds good with me.
Thank you.
No problem.
My order.
See that? So I put it in, y'all. See that right there? That face of me, watch your. See that how it fit in? Look. Got that little clamp.
I was going to say it's not, you just click right in place.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The mother one get so much debris, food underneath there. Good God. Feel like I'm got a mouthful of rocks.
A mouthful of rock or a mouthful of sand?
Gravel.
Well,
Yeah, I feel like that. Now you can't hardly chew. It look like it's so painful to chew. First and go, oh God. Don't tell me Indianapolis Coast had them on the ropes. That's Jonathan Taylor there.
yeah, don't forget to go check out my Sister Lot journey. My hair.
Get you your check, guys.
All right, buddy.
Thank you.
All right, appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Oh, you gotta do military discount, right?
Military discount? I'll get that for you. Thank you for reminding me.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, thank you, buddy.
On my journey for my locks, I have an update. I gotta tell y'all, I'll do a separate video telling y'all what happened with my locks. That's my eyes, this is watering. See this dry? Watch this right here. Watch this just right here. Let's wait now. That's not even to my eye yet, this is right. My eye is. And I go up here.
We gotta go back tomorrow. Huh?
Yeah.
Girl, you gonna mess
To
around
get
and
my
pull that.
injection.
I'm gonna pull that out your ass.
So, y'all keep
It ain't
in
no
your
good.
prayers for my
She got
eyes, y'all.
She got a bad eye, y'all. I ain't no good.
The thing about it,
But she wanna
this
get
one
up
right
early
here,
in the
which is my
morning
right
and leave
eye,
out
is
and
my
drive
bad
like
eye.
can't sleep.
but my left eye is the one that's been just draining and draining
Yeah,
and draining. Well, then both of them do, but my left eye drains the most.
Third and go.
Excuse me, y'all.
Good. And Philadelphia on score this. It's third and go, Shallow. With 120, 128 left. And guess what? 124 left. And then Philadelphia on score and tied. That's it. It's third and go. Field goal ain't gonna help
Oh,
them.
man, we forgot
There you go,
to
there you
have
go.
vinegar pill.
There you go. Touchdown. That boy gone.
I have to get my vinegar pill when I get home, Frank.
Jalen Hurts did, I heard you.
Can you double check me for me, please, boss man?
All right,
I
buddy.
don't want to mess y'all up.
Check to see that right. They don't have discount too.
Yep. Yep. Everything's good. Everything is copacetic. How they say it? Copacetic. Oh, cool. That stuff pulled me up. So, y'all want to know where I put on my lips?
Darn, my hands are so.
This is a new fruity lip gloss with moisturizer plus vitamin E. And then this is a Max lip polish, color shimmer, that I add on top of that, just a little bit. And then I just smear it to give it a little color.
You want them napkins?
Maybe I'm happy.
Yes,
No.
anyway. I thought you had one.
This is one left I have.
Girl,
My eye.
what you been doing with that thing? With your eye? You move that thing. You want that? That's it.
That's the way I was
Yeah.
showing them how my eye was watering.
God, lady, girl, give me something to live.
This reminds me when we get home. I got to
You got napkin, man?
You need a napkin?
Yeah, let me right back, dry my hands out too.
remind me when I get home to take my vinegar peel. My vinegar peels. Did you bring your vinegar peels with you?
No.
Well, I got mine, but I just didn't.
Let me go ahead and pay you.
I don't feel like getting
Sounds
more
good.
this
Say what's
peel.
y'all?
I'll do it when I get in the car. Do my
Hey, we appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Let me pay
I
you.
appreciate y'all.
All right. Oh, they ain't got the tips on there.
You have to give them a tip. No, they'll put the tip on here. You have to give it to
Yeah, I'm just, no, I give him the tip. I ain't stunning.
Yeah, give it to him.
I ain't stunning last.
Just make sure we get the receipt back.
Really, you don't be quiet. That boy gonna give me a receipt.
I didn't say he wasn't. I said make sure you get the receipt.
Shit, get her ass to it.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna be posting on my community tab. my sister, she has a Facebook page about, because she's an author, called Lit Book. What is it? Book Lit or whatever.
Shut up. What are you trying to say?
Anyway, I'm gonna be sharing on my community page. She put little short passages of her books. You can get y'all little teasers of upcoming books she has. So if you want to purchase her books, you can always go and purchase her books on Amazon.com. So I'm gonna be putting some of those on there, and just FYI, when y'all see those clips, it's from author Fallon Kirkland. So we're gonna get ready to get out of here.
So when you get back,
Yeah.
it don't take that long. Oh, you
Yeah.
helping other people though.
Yeah. So PROMOSTK.
Ain't nobody still you show. She love y'all see she love to talk.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Got me
at
going to Georgia.
Outback Steakhouse. And then also, don't forget, subscribe to our channel. We'll be most grateful. Woo. See? We fall for you. Thank y'all. Say bye.
Shut up, move that thing.
Say bye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Shala and Frank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, Husband and Wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over.